Hello friend, welcome back to NH Drawing. So today we will draw a gift box for the Christmas day. So let's start the drawing. I am draw a gift box. Draw a heart. Red color. Yellow color. Purple color. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.